Today we are going to do a back builder workout. I'm going to teach you 3 new exercises and then we are going to do them back to back. First exercise is called prone arm lifts. My clients like to remember it as IYTWO. You will know why. Okay, lie down flat on your stomach. Engage your core. Forehead is on the mat. Extend your arms straight out. Palms are facing each other. Thumbs are pointing towards ceiling. From this position, this is an I position, right? So just lift your hands slightly off the mat. This is I. Okay, now form a Y with your hands. Let's go into T, then W, then O. When I'm doing O, I'm pulling my shoulder blades together and I'm interlocking my hands. I will show you once again. Observe carefully. Abs are very, very tight. I'm not letting my lower back move. Forehead is on the ground. Chin is tucked in. From this position, also important thing to note down is you're going to put your shoulder blades in back pockets. So don't shrug. Okay? Shrugging is bringing your shoulders up towards your ears. So make sure you keep them down. Okay? From this position, let's go into first I, then Y, then T, W, and O. Do 2 more. Make sure your abs are contracted, your chin is tucked in, and your hands are off the ground throughout the movement. The only rule for this exercise is that you are not supposed to keep your hands down on the floor, always off the floor. Okay, let's do 2 more repetitions. I, Y, T, W, and O. One more. I, Y, T, W, and O. Wonderful. Second exercise in the routine. It's called prone thumbs up. Very similar position. Starting position is very similar. Okay. Lie down flat on your stomach. Contract your abs. Forehead on the mat. Extend your hands. Create a thumbs up position. Point your thumbs towards the ceiling. From this position, just lift all the way up as much as possible and go down and up and down. Try not to touch the ground when you're in the workout routine. Let's go up and down and up and down. Continue for 4 more. Thumbs up and down, thumbs up and down, thumbs up and down. One more. Thumbs up and down. Wonderful. Third exercise is called Superman exercise. Okay, again, lie down flat on your stomach. We are working on our back. Okay, lie down flat on your stomach. Extend your legs, extend your arms. Forehead on the mat. Tuck your navel, contract your abs. From this position, I am going to breathe in and lift myself up like a Superman or a Superwoman if you're a girl. Let's do it. Okay. Observe, I am not lifting my neck up like this. This is the biggest mistake people do on this exercise. They lift their neck up. I am not lifting my neck like that. My neck is getting lifted only because I am lifting my rib cage and my neck is attached to that. Okay, so my chin is still tucked in. Because my rib cage comes up, my head comes up. But I am not bending my neck back like that. Okay, second mistake that people do is they bend their lower back. And I have been talking about it. You are not supposed to arch your lower back. Okay, so avoid doing this. That's why I'm asking you to keep your abs tight and protect your lower back. Let's do 4 more. Get into perfect form. Get into first the Superman position on the ground. From this, tighten your abs, tuck your chin, breathe in, lift your rib cage, lift your hips.
As you go down, breathe out through your mouth. 2 more. One last. Wonderful.
Now we are going to do all 3 exercises back to back without any break. We will do, because we are doing it for the first time, we will do 10 repetitions of each. Don't give up in between. You are going to feel a lot of burn around your shoulder blades, but that is what builds your back. So just try to do as many repetitions as you can. Let's do it. Starting with prone arm lifts, or as everyone likes to call it, IYTWO.
Abs tight, forehead on the ground. Point your toes back. Hands, palms facing each other, thumbs towards the ceiling. Let's start. Hands off the ground. I. Y. T. W. O. Again. I. Don't drop your hands. Y. T. W. O. Wonderful. I. Y. T. W. O. Don't rush it. Go with my counts. I. Y. T. W. O. Bring your shoulder blades back. I. Y. T. W. O. If you're doing this right, by now I know you're feeling a lot of burn in your shoulders as well as back. Continue, don't give up. I. Y. T. W. O. 4 to go. I. Y. T. W. O. Last 3. I. Y. Don't drop your arms. T. W. O. 2 more. I. Y. T. Hold there, hold there, hold there. W. O. And last one. I. Y. T. And T. And stay there in T. I don't know. What are the next letters? I think it's just T. Hold there. And T. Fine. Go to W. And O. Wonderful. Directly go into prone thumbs up. There is no break in between. So point your thumbs towards the ceiling. Let's go. Thumbs up and down. Keep your core tight. Thumbs up and down. Thumbs up and down. Continue. Core tight. Shoulder blades in back pockets. Almost there. Last 5. Thumbs up and down. And up and down. And up and down. And up and down. And up. Hold on top. Tighten your core. Feel the burn. And down. Wonderful. Superman. Extend your hands and arms. Make sure your core is constantly engaged. Tuck your chin. Breathe in and become a Superman. Breathe out and go down. Abs tight. Breathe in. Continue. Four. Last 5.
Wonderful job, everyone. Clap for yourself.